Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel hashtags with WeChill, and in this video we'll be creating an origami model called as a fighter helicopter. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, this is how the final model of our helicopter looks like. It's a very beautiful model and it's made up of multiple pieces of paper. So let's keep this aside and let's start making it. Let's balance it properly. Okay, so for this you'll need a square piece of paper. This is for the base of the helicopter, and for the wings and for the shooters, for the wings, for the top wings, for the side wings and for the shooters, you'll need these small pieces. I'll mention the dimensions while I'll be making these, so let's keep this aside for now. Let's focus on the base. So first you need to fold from this corner to this corner along the diagonal axis. I already have a crease over here, so I'll just fold it quickly, open it back, you have to fold it now along this axis from this point to this point. Open it back, you'll get this X formed over here. Now turn your page and then fold it from the center along the horizontal axis like this. Open it back also on this side, so that you get a plus formed over here, a plus crease formed over here. So there will be a plus crease and an X crease just behind this. Alright, so now you hold your page like this, and then all you need to do is just fold it along the X crease and make a square. This is how it looks. This side it opens up and this is a closed side. So you need to keep the open side towards the top and fold this like this. You can take a reference, something like this, and then fold it from edge to edge. Similarly on this side. From the top, press it properly. Now you have this base triangle. You need to fold this entire base triangle like this and then unfold it back. This is just to make a crease over here. Now you need to open this two flaps, and then you need to open this one layer out of it and fold it like this. You get something like this. We need to repeat the same set of steps on the opposite side, so let's do it. Fold it first. From here you can take the reference of the back portion fold this triangular portion upwards and then open this one layer and fold it back inwards. This is how it looks like finally. So you have these two flaps which are full flaps, and there are other two flaps which are half flaps. Now you use this one flap, this is a full flap, you use this full flap and fold it like this. Open it back and do the similar thing on the other side. Again you'll get an X crease, and now you, from both the sides, you need to fold it to form something like this. Fold it properly on the either side so that you get a proper crease, and adjust it properly so that you get proper shape. This is how it looks. You need to do the same thing on this side. So pick one full flap, fold it like this, open it, fold it on the other side, you get an X formed, and then fold it like this. This is how it looks. Alright, now you need to fold it like this. You move this flap, the opening flap, outside one of the sides, and then fold it like this till the edge. Similarly, you need to do it on the other side. Also on this side. This is how it looks. So consider this as the top portion of the helicopter and this as the bottom portion. So you open this bottom part and then you have to fold it like this. Here, also on this side. This is how it looks. And now in this bottom portion you need to fold it to make the base, something like this, and similarly on this side. These are very thick layers. This is very thick piece of paper because it contains multiple layers, so you need to fold it and press it properly so that it retains its shape. Alright, so this is how it looks. Now for the top portion, you need to fold it like this. There is a thick crease over here. If you can see, there forms a thick crease over here. So when you fold it, you can feel that crease over here. So till that crease you need to fold it like this, not too deeply or not too upwards, so that you get this kind of a shape for the helicopter, if you can see this. Okay, so now for the wings we need to fold it. So just fold it till half, and then you open this. You see there are multiple layers in this. Open the central layer, and then fold it inwards, and then pack it. This is how it looks. Similarly, you do it on this side. Fold it, open it, and pack it inside. So you get both the wings. Okay, now for the top portion, you need to fold this till this point, the intersection point. Fold it like this. Press it properly. Fold it on the other side as well, because we need to open it and fold it inwards like this. Make it straight like this, and this is how it forms. And then you open this slight opening, and then you need to fold it in this to half. I hope you can see. You need to fold it like this, only till this point, not entire till the edge, but almost till the half of it. Similarly, you need to do it on this side. Fold it and then do it, and then this tip you need to fold it inwards like this, and then close this entire thing like this. Press it properly. These are multiple layers of papers, so making these cuts will be difficult. So you need to press it properly so that it retains the shape. Alright, this is how it looks. Similarly, you do it for the tail. Fold it slightly as per your judgment, and then fold it inside like this. Make a small fold over here like this, so that there is some space to stick. So that's all about the base.